keep going. Come on, keep going.
I still like these on.
You have what?
I still like these on.
Your swim trunks.
Your swim trunks. It's okay. You can ride bike in those.
Why? One time.
Come on, get back on, buddy. Yeah.
And if we go backward.
Yeah, if you push it backwards, it goes backwards.
Mikey, get back on the bike, bud.
Here, I'll help steer you. You just pedal, I'll steer. Okay?
Let me go backwards.
Oh, I see this. You think you're pretty smart.
Hold on, dude. I'm making it.
Get up on the seat again.
What's that?
Those are just things on the tire. That's okay. That's the way tires are supposed to be.
Micah, I want to get a picture of you riding your bike. Get on the bike. I want to see you ride it.
I don't want that.
If you ride your bike the whole way down to the path, then we'll go see if Jillian's home.
Right down all the path.
Mm-hmm. Yep, right.
I think.
Ready, set?
I think that is at Nathan's house.
Oh, really? We'll go check and see. You just pedal. I'll steer you, okay? Nope. Wrong way. Nope. Stop, please. Right foot. There you go.
I think that's the pedal.
You're doing it, buddy. You're doing it. Get on.
You see, and then this